Okay.
Okay. 250. Probably those answers I did are right for the second half then.
I'm going to go with C for number 3, or the last one. Gender and voting preferences are independent, or gender and voting preferences are not independent.
Hey, I have a question. Do you put the total column in?
No.
I did not. No.
Okay. Hang on. I need to write these answers down because I'm pretty sure we're going to be using them in a second.
You can't see.
Oh my gosh.
The equation for computing the degrees of freedom.
Okay, so for number 3, we got D, right?
Yes.
There's only 3, so it's
It's the last one, C.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So D.
Oh, it does. It does look like D. Sorry, I did choose the last one though. Okay, and then number 4, I chose C, the last one.
-1 times column -1. Yeah, the last one.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then for the degrees of freedom, is it 6? Or do we have to still calculate it? When you put it into the Excel sheet, is that the answer?
Mine's showing 2 in the Excel sheet.
Mine too.
Sorry, I need to delete a column still. Oh, nuts. I got 4 now. How'd that happen?
So we're all in agreement that it's 2?
I have 2 as well.
Okay.
Well, why do I have a different number?
Did you put in the totals at all? There should only be like, what? Hold on, let me go back to it.
No, I didn't put the totals in. Did you guys?
No, there should only be 3 columns and 2 rows.
It's 2 rows?
Yeah.
Oh.
The third row is totals also.
I got 2 now. It helps if I do it correctly. Is the next one A?
Yes, because there's not any that are less than 5 or 5 or less. They're all like really high. So yes.
Is the test statistic 16.204?
Let me go back. Yes, 16.204. Is this seriously going to be this easy? Please be this easy all the way to the end.
Right? That would be so great.
So number 8, it's 0. The p-value is 0 because we're only putting it into the 3 decimal places.
Yep.
Wait, what did we get for number 7?
7 is 16.204.
Okay, I've got the point. Okay.
Okay, so we're rejecting the null, so there is sufficient evidence to suggest that they are not independent.
Are not independent. Yeah.
I'm going with A.
Okay.
Data represented here for the next 5 questions. So the hardest part of this test is just putting in the data.
Yeah, it's annoying that you can't just copy and paste it.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay. Okay, so for the degree of freedom, I got 8.
Me too. Is that the first question? Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Oh,
No.
sorry.
It's
Oh,
a
man.
true false.
I skipped one.
Let's see. The conditions for conducting a T-square test are satisfied. Well, let me look. Are any of them 0 or 5 or?
No, it's true.
Okay, good. They're all good. True.
Our test statistic is
Now the degrees of freedom first.
Was 8.
yeah.
Oh, right.
Test statistic. I got 7.436.
That's what I got.
Woohoo!
P-value.
0.490.
Yes.
It's probably best to describe the outcome of the study.
It's still less than 5, so there we reject the null. There's sufficient evidence to suggest that motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent of the location. I'm going with B.
C.
Oh, no, wait. No, we need a sufficient C.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, is that seriously it? Holy crap.
Oh my gosh.
So that last one on 14 is C.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, that was like the fastest quiz I think we've ever taken ever.
And that was
Maybe our exam will be like that last. Dang it! It's the first one. We got the last question wrong.
Oh, seriously?
So let's read the question.
there is, we rejected the null. There is sufficient evidence to suggest that motivation to visit a chiropractor is not, that has to be it. C is not the answer
No.
for 14.
Let me count. 1, 2, 3. There is sufficient evidence to suggest that the motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent of the location. That is marked wrong. I got 0 points for that.
What?
Okay.
So, the location
Oh,
and
wait.
motivation to visit a chiropractor
Oh,
are
are they-
it's are independent. So if we reject the null.
Wait, the null is that they're independent. Aren't we rejecting the null because the p-value is lower than point? Oh, no, it's not. It's 0.05. So we're supposed to
Yeah. So is it
fail to reject the renul. Okay.
Oh,
So-
so it is B.
My bad. I didn't even double check that one.
Insufficient evidence to suggest that they are not independent. Yeah, B.
Do that one again. I'll redo mine later.
B. Okay. Going to submit.
Did that just get? Oh, that's good. Grammy.
Root. Okay.
What did you get for 13?
13 was 0.490.
You know, thank you.
Crazy. I'm almost done. I'm in my group meeting right now. No, can you just wait one? All right. Anything else?
Mm-mm.
No, that's awesome. For our group project this week, what are we supposed to be doing?
That is such a good question. I don't
I'm
know.
collecting the data.
Oh, that's what we just discussed this. Duh. Oh my gosh.
So do you submit it?
Yeah. I will put it up on the Google Docs because
Okay.
you all have to review it before I submit it.
Cool.
Gotcha. Okay. And is that due Saturday?
I think so.
What?
I thought it was due next week, but I'll check it. I'll double check the due date.
Cool.
Sorry, I thought it was due this week.
Yeah, because I'm
No.
pretty sure she said like
You're right.
over and over again, there's nothing to turn in this week. There's nothing.
You're right. It's next week. There's actually no due date on it next week either.
That's super weird. Oh well.
All right. Cool. Thanks, ladies.
All right. Good night, everybody.
Bye. See you later.
Have a
Bye,
good
guys.
Bye.